Hey guys, back with cruzermans inventions. So we got two quick little test runs, one on the washing machine bike, which has now got 72 volts, 1000 watt controller, and all of this has been rewired, guys, to 72 volts. It's pretty cool. So I don't expect it to go really fast. I have an app here, so I'll push it and let's get going. Trying to put you in my pocket here, and alright, let's get going. So the old bike over here had little phase issues as well, so I'm going to try and do start this, quickly cruise off on this, and see if we can get, well, see if we can quickly get a top speed run on this. Here we go. Come on, girl. Oh, it's not like, come on. A little bit of trouble taking off. Overcharged these guys. Oh, here we go. Whoa, way now. Just hit 40. Alright, we better head back. So we definitely hit 40. We hit 40 on there. So, oh, sorry about the crappy cameraing, guys. It's kind of strapped to me and it's really hard to hold. I got no footrest. Holding this in one hand. Only got my throttle hand. There we go. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that boost was good. Wow. Whoa. Alright. 43. 43. 44. Close to 44, guys. Wow, yeah, 44. We got it. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Holy shit. Alright. We got it. 44. Okay. Sorry about the crappy cameraing. So now, we're going to try this one. We've got 44 Ks. Quick, let's get on here. Mag on. Systems on. We have 77. And let's see what the speedo says on well, the alternator bike, guys. Here we go. Oh, something's not good. Shit, bloody cars. Come on, girl. What's up with this? I just redone it today. Been through a lot of stuff on it. Oh, come on, what's up with this? Still losing fuel. You know, here we go. Now it's picking up. Holy shit. Holy moly. 44. 47. 48. 49. Oh, I gotta slow down. Coming up to the corner. 50 Ks, guys. 50 Ks. I must have oversaturated the, I'll turn this off. Put this in my pocket. This is getting difficult. Alright guys, I'll try and hold this camera now. Yep. Oh, come on. It's lost magnetic field still in the center, and I've given it new brushes. Here we go, here we go. Catching up, catching up. Come on. Here we go. Now forward. Pull it up now, guys. So yeah. Woo. Gets a little bit aerial one hand going that fast, but hey, I'm just trying to get you some good footage, and oh yeah, it's timed out now that the battery's dying down a little bit. Wow. So yeah, guys. Now very quickly. So yeah, very quickly, trying to get you out of the pocket here. Still running, still running. Cool, guys. See you in the next vid coming up. Cruiser Man out.